The 2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.